Do you want to make your voice sound a little different than before? It's easy. So let's do it step by step in Audacity. First up, launch Audacity and import your favorite audio file. Once you've done that, double click to select the entire audio, or you can also drag and select the certain part that you want to cover. Since I'm doing it all, I'm double clicking it. Now go to Effects, Pitch and Tempo and click on Change Pitch. We're changing our voice through the pitch settings. You don't need to adjust any settings, just move the slider to the left for a little deep voice and to the right for a little sharp one. Since we want a deeper voice, slide it to the left. Once you're happy with your settings, click Apply. You can see slight change in the waveform. Now go to Effect again and then go to EQ and Filters and select Bass and Treble. Increase the bass a little bit and you can do whatever you like for the treble. You can also adjust the volumes as necessary. Once you're ready, click Apply. Here you can see the change in the waveform. Now you can press play to preview.
If we wanted to change a song's pitch without messing up the speed,
That's it. It's easy and simple. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe and follow us for more related videos. See you in the next one.